Hi everyone, my name is Shivangi. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I sat down and recorded a video, so I might be a little bit nervous. But let's get into the video. I recently turned 22 years old and I've seen a lot of videos where people talk about the things that they've learned in 22 years. Well, I don't remember the things that I learned until I was 15, 16. So I'll just put on tell you all the lessons that I've learned um, now that I've turned 22, and there are 22 not even lessons but some things that I thought are important for me, and I think they are very important for anybody who's a dreamer like me. And let's just get into the video. Number one is, don't wait for the perfect time or perfect age, just go for it. When I was 16, I thought I'll turn 18 and I'll be like having the time of my life. I'll have a up and running YouTube channel. I'll be the best singer or something like that. I had a lot of dreams, but when I turned 18, nothing changed in a day. Nothing really made me the confident person that I was supposed to be when I would turn 18. So, and even now I'm a little nervous talking about stuff. We'll just get a little normal when I get to the point, I think 17, 18. But my point is that there is no perfect time to start something. There is no perfect time to, you know, do a thing. Just if you think that you want to try something, just do it now. Go for it now. Which brings me to my second point, which is start now, start somewhere. Do not think that you do not have the resources. Do not think that I'll start then when I have this and that. You're never going to be fully satisfied with the things that you're provided. You're never going to feel satisfied that I have the things and now I'll make a video. Something will always make you feel like you shouldn't do this. You don't have this and that. Just start. All I had to do was start. And once I started making videos, I was like, yeah, that's it, I'm doing it. If I kept waiting for the perfect equipment and the perfect mic, or for me to have a perfect place or perfect studio to record my songs, I wouldn't even have a YouTube channel. I would be just sitting and waiting until I would just wake up one day and be like 50 years old and I'd not have achieved anything or done anything, right? Point number 3, learn everything you can. You need to learn everything that you feel like you should learn. If you feel like you need to read a book, read a book. If you feel like you need to learn cooking, do that. If you feel like you need to learn how to write songs, learn how to make music, do it. I'll tell you, some people are like, we don't have the money to go for a course and apply for something. You have YouTube, Google. The internet is like a big place where you can learn literally anything at all. I learned songwriting on YouTube after I realized that I need to brush up on my songwriting skills. I learned digital marketing on YouTube, and I took one course, I think. I have learned content writing. That is what I do as my internships are related to content writing. So I learned that also by myself. I did not take a course for it. I even started learning how to knit, like crochet, and there are so many things that I've learned on my own. Even that piano I'm learning on my laptop, I'm learning it on my own. I do not need somebody else to teach me. And if I do not have like the money, if you do not have that money, then learn it from the internet. You always have the internet, don't you? Like you're watching this video. Okay, number 4, be grounded and down to earth. Do not feel like, you know, if you're watching somebody else having the time of their life and you are like, I need to show off too, and I need to be the best version of myself, and that is just showing off. Do not do that. Be down to earth. Do not judge people. Do not judge yourself, which is my 5th point. Stop judging yourself and face your feelings. If you're feeling low, face it. If you're feeling sad, face it. If you're feeling happy, face it. Every little emotion that you are feeling, face it. Stop judging yourself. Stop being so hard on yourself. Stop saying that I'm always so depressed about this thing. Whenever I think of that certain situation, I feel so cringy and stuff. Whatever that happened, whatever happened has happened. Now it's done. Be in the present moment. Stop judging yourself. Right now, you just need to let go of everything and be in the moment. What can you do right now that your future self will thank you for it, Just do something interesting. Number 6, take a lot of social media breaks. I am currently on a social media break. And literally, if you start watching my videos, like in October, I said I'm on a social media break. Then in November, I think I said I am on a social media break. And then in August or September, I was on a social media break. And now it's January and I'm on a social media break. I've been on a social media break since I turned 22, like on 29th. I uh, deactivated my Instagram account, and I was like, I'm done with Instagram. I'm done with comparing myself with other people. I'm done with posting stories that will impress other people. I'm done with doing things for other people. I need to be with myself. I'm done with consuming media that I do not need to consume. And I'm just only watching YouTube videos most of the time, and sometimes I go on Facebook just to um, just I'm part of a few communities and I just scroll through those. I do not have any idea about my favorite celebrities, and sure, I kind of miss that, but I also do not need that in order to survive. Right now, it's my time to focus on myself, and that is why I take a lot of social media breaks, and you should too. It is very important for your mind, for your health. Number 7, no one knows what the fuck they are doing. Everyone is figuring it out and doing their best. If somebody comes up to you and is like very confident in their self and are very, telling you that I did this and that, they still don't have any idea what they're going to do next. Nobody has any idea what they're going to do. I have so many friends who took the right path, graduation, post graduation, and then get a job and everything. They still have no idea where they will end up in 5 years. Nobody has any idea what they are going to be or who they will be. Nobody. Stop comparing yourself. I have no idea where I'll be, but I do have a little idea where I'll be. I mean, your journey is your journey, right? Number 8, you have to be your best friend and your number one supporter. When I started my YouTube videos, I did not tell any of my friends that I'm starting a channel because it made me realize that what if they judge me? What if people judge me for it and everything? Then I was like, you know what? Fuck it. Let me tell my friends. And I told them that I have a YouTube channel and I am posting always. Now, when you are posting on your YouTube channel or whatever, I kind of thought that I would have somebody all the time to support me, but everybody has their own lives, and which is why I realized that I need to support myself. I need to be my best friend, and I need to be my number one cheerleader who has to be like, no, Shivangi, you have to do it. You have to do it on yourself. You have to do it. Just do it. Try it. Try it. Try it. I had to push myself. Nobody else would be there for me to push myself. And if I keep waiting on somebody else to tell me what to do, my life will just pass by. I need to be my number one supporter, and you need to be your number one supporter. Number 9, don't let anyone tell you what you can achieve and what you cannot. Do not let anybody else tell you that. My dreams are big, and you all know that. Whoever watches my videos, you guys know that I have big dreams. And my friends have always told me that, always have a backup plan, stay to the ground, have a plan B, because you do not know where life is taking you, blah blah blah. And they are right. They are right. This is what the society has taught us, that dreaming is fine as long as you have a backup plan. And a backup plan is like having a good job and then getting married and then having a family. Sure, that is good for some people. For me, it's not. I have my dreams, and even though some people say it's impossible to achieve it and it's not something that easily happens, I'm gonna believe that it easily happens for me, and life is just working out in my favor. And I'm going to try everything I can in order to have my best life. So I'm not letting anyone else dictate or tell me what I can achieve and what I cannot, and you shouldn't either. Don't listen to anybody else. Just listen to yourself. Be smart. Number 10, always make your own decisions. Well, it's kind of same. Like, always do not let your friends, your family, anybody else you like make decisions for you. Like, don't let your parents make your decisions for you. And once you are done with your school, do not just listen to anybody but yourself. If you have a voice in you that's telling you that you should be doing this and that, like achieve your dreams or try something, do it. Try it right now. You're going to regret it if you don't. So just try it right now, and do not let anybody else make any decision for you. Even if it's like buying a mobile phone or buying some clothes, do not let anybody else. Listen to everybody. Let everybody give their advices and everything, but make the decision on your own with your intuition. Number 11, if you get an opportunity to work, you will get some financial freedom. I've been working since May, May or March, I don't remember now, but I've been working internships here and there as a content writer for a while, and I'm getting paid. And you know what? I do not have to think about asking my parents for. I am living with my parents, but I do not need to ask them for money for small little things, and that has made me feel independent. And I do not ask them for money when I go out, because I'm making some on my own, and I also save a lot, which is why I always have a lot of money with myself. I'm not a spender. So my point is, if you get an opportunity to work, even if it's not the best thing to do, like even if it's not in your interest or anything, just try it for a month or something. I always take up internships for months, like 3 months or 2 months, and then I'm done with it. I'll try to do something else. That brings me to my next point. Number 12, your dreams are not too big. Whatever your dream is, anybody can achieve anything, and I hope you know that. There are so many people who have been so poor and became so rich, who were so rich and became so poor, who had nothing but now have the $1 million and everything. You can achieve anything you want, anything. Your dreams are not too big. I know a lot of people tell you that think rationally and think logically. Do not. Dream a lot. Whatever it is, just dream about it and work for it if you can. And if you have an opportunity, just work for it. You can literally have anything you want. Which is my next point. Everything you want can be yours. Everything. I can tell you there are so many things that I always wanted to have, and now I have those. Like, I worked for some, and some just eventually showed up in my life. I had everything. I used to think when I would be, I don't remember, but when I was a kid, my mom used to say that I would I'm sorry. My mom used to say I always thought that I would teach my daughter how to play a guitar, and I did not even know how to play a guitar. Then I got into like 11th standard, and there were music classes by our music teacher, and I was like, this is the time for me to learn guitar. And which is when I started learning guitar. And my mom's dream of teaching me guitar, and also my dream of learning some instrument also came true. So I had my guitar. Which brings me to my next point. Music saves lives. I cannot tell you how much music has saved me. Like, I cannot even express it in feelings. Every time I felt low or I felt high, music was there. Music has saved me. Be it music by Taylor Swift, Halsey, BTS. There are so many artists, I cannot even think of them right now, but so many artists who made me realize that yes, I can dream, I can have, I can achieve. You know, music is important. And after listening, Taylor Swift's music got me into English music, and then I started listening to different artists. BTS music, I started listening to them 2 years ago, and their music made me love myself, like actually start the journey of loving myself. So here I am making videos, and I'm not embarrassed about how I look or whatever. Number 15, face your feelings instead of ignoring. I think it's kind of the same with face your feelings, number 5, but okay. Face your feelings instead of ignoring. If you're feeling sad, angry, or depressed, feel it. Talk to somebody about it. You always need to talk to somebody. Like, you should have somebody who you can always talk to, which is my 16th point. Having friends is important, even though you feel like you can't survive without them. I have had points in my life where I thought that I do not need friends. When I take social media breaks, I do not tell anybody that I am going on a social media break, and I just take one. Still, I have 2 friends who I always go to, who I always talk to if I feel low. They have always been there for me, and they're always listening. Even though we do not talk on a daily basis, when I'm on a break, I do tell them that this is what I'm going through, and I need this time, and I need you to be supportive of my social media breaks or anything. I do always talk to my friends. If you feel like you do not need friends, you're wrong. You do need friends, and you should have at least one friend with whom you can discuss anything and everything you want. Number 17, think of the world as a wish granting factory. Make a lot of wishes, have a lot of dreams, and be hopeful. I know this world has made us, this society has made us into thinking that we cannot achieve anything. We shouldn't be dreaming. If we get a normal job and a normal life, that is going to set us for the rest of our lives. And I think it's truly, truly wrong. You and I and everybody around in the world is deserving of having everything they want, and we all should be dreamers. I know it's not something everybody desires. Some people actually just want to be, uh, I don't know, settle down or something, but I'm telling you, make a lot of wishes. Think that I want this after this time, I want this now, I want this time. Make wishes. You will get everything you want. I'm not kidding. Have you heard of manifesting? You can manifest anything in your life. Anything you want. Point number 18. Everything will work out in your favor eventually. Everything will work out in your favor. I always say this. Everything is working out the best case scenario for myself. Right? Uh, there were so many times when I thought, what the hell is happening in my life? I don't think this is ever going to lead me to a good place, or I don't think there is a way out of this. But let time heal you. After some time, you will realize that everything that happened was for the best of you, and everything will work out for you eventually. Just give it some time. You got this. Anyone who's watching and who's going through a hard time, I just want you to know that you got this. You can do anything you want. Number 19, don't let your darkest days define you. I've had my darkest days when I thought that I am the shittiest person on the world. I am such an angry person. I do not deserve anything, and I do not think I'm capable of anything. And those were my dark days. But on days like this, when I'm feeling good and fine, I know that I deserve every of my dream. I deserve to be whatever I want to be. And I have a voice. I can be anything I want because I am this person who is loving and kind and hopeful. This is me, not the darkest days. And you should know that too. You're not your darkest days. Number 20. Being kind is the way. When you think something is too hard, like when you feel like you cannot get through something, be kind. Not to others only, but be kind to yourself. Know that it will pass, it will heal, whatever it is. Number 21. If you want to change the world, start with yourself first. Change starts within ourselves. There are so many people who want to change the world, including me. I want the world to be a better place, obviously. And I had to start from myself. I started changing myself. I started changing my perspective on myself, that I need to be a loving person, and I need to be a kinder person to not all the people but also to myself. And that is when I realized that yes, I need to change myself first, and then I can start changing and having an impact on other people, and then they can start changing and loving themselves. Which brings me to my last point, which is 22. Start loving yourself now. Start appreciating yourself now. Take a step every day to show yourself that you truly love yourself. We were given a body, we were given a mind, we were given a heart for some reason, and there is no one purpose for everyone but for us to enjoy this life. We all need to enjoy our life, and I need you to realize that you need to start loving yourself. You need to start appreciating yourself. You matter. And that's all. These are my 22 things that I've learned, and I hope you all have a great new year, and I'll see you all with more videos, definitely, and with more song covers and everything. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. I'll see you all later. Bye.